Rocket Pat here. Alright guys, well I did a little grinding and grinding and rocking and rolling and rolling and grinding and some more grinding and some more rocking and more rolling today. And let me show you what I got done. I got a brake booster in place with my master cylinder and it worked out pretty good. I think that there may be a little bit of a canter of it this way. I'm not sure if this firewall is perfectly square this way on this side, but if it comes down to it, I'll just put a little shim right over here to kick it back the other way. We won't say anything to anybody, but I got her in there and she's bolted down. The hood opens and closes without any problems. Let me show you what I did inside. Alright, let's take a look here. Alright, in order to get this thing mounted, I will say right now, it's not mounted here yet. I still need to drill a couple of holes and go up and catch it where it's coming up. It's about right here, and I need to put a spacer in there. Up here on the forward bulkhead, I ground off the lip right here for their air conditioning kind of thing, the ram air conditioning that was in here. There was a lip, so I ground that flush. This is a piece of 3/16 plate steel, and I got it to fit up in to the firewall forward bulkhead where it needed it to, and got it to go around the opening, cover opening. And then I got this up in there, and I was able, fortunately that hole is up there, man. That made this sail so much easier. I was able to get everything clamped in place, hit it with some spray paint, found my holes, got the holes drilled in the plate, able to get it back up in here, got it square where I wanted it, and then was able to drill the holes through the firewall, and there we have it. The only thing I got right now is I believe that my rod is either that's my angle's a little bit different than the Camaro or the Firebird or whatever Formula 400 was. Same thing as a Camaro. So my pedal, in my opinion, I need to make it come a little bit further up like this. And right now, if you look, I'm a little bit shy of my rod coming out. Now I don't know if maybe there's a good possibility that that booster is stuck inward and I'm just not seeing it right now. Again, if it doesn't work out, probably what I'm going to do is cut this in half, put a left-handed thread and a right-handed thread and put my sleeve on it where I can adjust this pedal out a little further. But other than that, I'm super happy to have a hanger downer instead of going down in the floor, because now I can get those pedals out of the floor and get that master cylinder and clutch assembly and clean that up underneath there, so when I get ready to run some exhaust up underneath there. Alright guys, it's Saturday afternoon, late, probably about 6, 7 o'clock, I don't know what time it is, and I'm ready to go get some vittles in me. But yeah, there we go. We got her in there. The rest of it will come when I get the floors done and when we just start tidying it up, the final everything. But having it on there and it's square and it don't look like janky crap, it may not be perfect, but yeah, I'm happy with that. Alright guys, I've been rocking and rolling and rolling and rocking and grinding it down hard over here. I want to go sit down. Y'all take it easy. Y'all keep rocking and rolling. Talk to y'all next time.